Welcome back to Mobility Everyday video. Today we'll be doing a routine for stiff bodies for anybody who wants to release some tightness in the body. And of course, this simple routine is also beginner friendly. And if you feel like you want to improve your mobility, you can start here. We will be needing 2 mats today, one to practice on, another one for us to roll up really tightly, to sit on it, to raise our pelvis so that we can straighten the legs as much as possible. We'll be doing mostly leg work and hip work today because the beginning of mobility is releasing of the tightness. So releasing the tightness in the hips and hamstring area is what we will do mostly today. When you're ready, we can start. Having both legs as straight as possible, feeling your pelvis and your spine, looking straight ahead. And just breathe here. Feel how the back of your knees try to straighten up. Flex your feet as much as possible. That will help us to lengthen up the hamstrings. Feel how your spine is supported on your pelvis, and feel how your legs are trying to straighten out. Bringing your toes back, flexing your feet, pushing your heels forward, and that might help us to release the tightness gradually. Begin to bend one knee at a time. Keep both feet flexed. Keeping your spine as straight as possible. Bend a little bit and looking straight ahead. We are feeling our hamstrings here. Let your heels glide a little bit on the mat as you're doing this. Then point your toes and flexing it more. Pointing and flexing, pressing your heels down. As you point your toes, feel like you are really lengthening the front of your legs. As you flex your toes, feel like you are really engaging your hamstrings. Flexing and pointing alternately, and begin to feel your legs growing longer. Come back to bending one leg at a time, keeping your spine as upright as possible, flexing your feet more if you can. Come back to flexing and pointing. See if you can feel the point and the flex more. And feel the elongation of your legs more. You might even feel like as you point your toes, the feet kind of bring the body forward a little bit. As you flex, you come back to your sitting position, sitting angle. Keep your spine as upright as you can. Adjusting your pelvis right now and keeping one leg straight, bend the other. Start to bring your body forward as you bend one leg at a time. Moving your body forward as you bend each leg here. Your gaze is soft, looking down. Let the movement of the spine feels natural. You don't need to curl. You don't need to lean forward too much. Just enough. Just enough for you to feel your hip joints, your pelvis. As they move asymmetrically, you're trying to keep symmetrical motion. Slow down the movement, bend forward and stay for a couple of seconds longer, followed by the other side here. Allow your head to relax downwards towards the floor here, looking down. Going down a bit lower gradually as you slow down the movement, feeling one leg really straight, while the other, though bending, is pressing down on the floor more with the heel. Feel the length behind the straight leg. Keep your belly scooped in. With the same principles now, bend one leg, rotate your spine to one side. Bend the other, rotate your spine to the same side of the bent leg. Allow yourself to feel the gentle pull at the back of your pelvis and your lower back. The side of the straight leg will feel the elongation more. Allow yourself to melt down even more here, flexing the foot off the straight leg. And as you do this, you might find yourself bending your knee more, which means you are also releasing the tight hip joints. And remember to keep the pelvis symmetrical here, although we are moving asymmetrically. Try to prevent one side of the pelvis from moving back too much, especially on the side of the bent leg. Keeping the leg really straight now. We will bend one knee at a time, slightly faster. Feel your spine really straight here. Continue to flex and point and feel the length of your legs extending further front. Feeling more at ease now. You might even feel that your spine is more upright. Continue now, one leg at a time. Bring your upper body forward, repeating what we just did. Because for a body that has been held together for some time, the stiffness does take a while to respond. We want to take it slow and easy so that the stiffness we feel will slowly be softened. Come to rotating your spine again, looking up from the side here, but moving a little bit faster than you did just now in the first set. Your body should feel like it can go lower with ease now. Putting your legs in diamond shape here. Adjust your pelvis and your spine if you need to. Make sure they are supportive and as upright as they can be. Press your heels in together and start to shift your ribs from one side to another. We are releasing more tightness here gently. The smaller the motion, the bigger the release can be. Start to rotate your body to one side, looking straight behind, but make sure you're rotating from your pelvis or the base of the spine. So how do you know that? Your belly button. Your belly button is a very good gauge here. As you rotate to one side, you feel like your belly button is rotating along. But if your belly button stays more or less in the same position while only your head, neck, shoulders are turning, then you know you need to reduce the range. Follow your belly button. It is very telling of whether we are rotating our spine from the base or not. Sit very still. Allow yourself to melt your spine down into a curl, reaching behind the heels. Feel your hips opening. Take deep breaths here if you can, releasing more. Only go to as far as is possible for you. And that is all I have for today. Thank you so much for moving with me. Hope you find this stiff body mobility and for beginners friendly video helpful. Let me know in the comment section below. Else, keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. Take care and I'll see you again very soon. Remember to like, share, subscribe. It will help me to grow my channel and I would appreciate it so much. It will definitely motivate me to do more mobility videos for everybody. Cheers.